Bad posture from sitting, scrolling, or too many push-ups? Face pulls fix that. They strengthen your rear delts and open up your shoulders. Welcome to Introverted Fitness Dad. Today I'll show you exactly how to do face pulls the right way to protect your shoulder and correct your posture. I've studied tutorials from Athlean X, Renaissance Periodization, and Jeffrey Schofield. Everyone's got their own spin on this exercise, and every tweak changes which muscles you emphasize. Here's a version I prefer. It keeps the focus on the posterior delts, the part of the shoulder most of us neglect. And it starts with the setup. Anchor your band or cable at above face level, not too high or too low, so the tension stays right where you need it. Start with your arms extended and your core braced. Lead with your elbows flared in line with your shoulders. Think wide, not tucked. Rotate your hands as you pull so your thumbs finish pointing back. Keep your chest open and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep your chin slightly tucked, don't crane your neck. Pause at the top and ask yourself, do I feel this in my rear delts? Lower slow and controlled. With lighter bands, a square stance works fine. Feet shoulder width apart, facing the anchor. As resistance increases, switch to a staggered stance with the opposite leg forward. That locks your core in and keeps you from being pulled off balance. This is the difference between just moving the band and actually training your rear delts. Mind-muscle connection means focusing on the exact muscle you want to work. Here, the back of the shoulders. Pausing at the top and controlling the negative are the best ways to make sure the rear delts stay engaged. If you don't feel it there, adjust your form until you do. Here are the big mistakes to avoid. Your neck. Don't crane forward. Chin stays slightly tucked. Your shoulders. Don't shrug. Let the rear delts do the work. Your arms. Don't pull too low. Don't collapse the elbows inward. And don't use momentum. Your core. Don't over arc. Keep your abs braced and your posture tall. Face pulls are one of the simplest, most effective moves you can do to bulletproof your shoulders and fix that forward slouch posture. Now that you know how to do them properly, follow me in my upcoming video, the follow along face pull workout. Day 2 of my 50-minute workout series. Let's go!
You know I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey. When I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown like, hey, niggas from city be hating